So, guys, welcome back to CAD Comrade. And in today's video, we are going to know about what is the Regen command in Autocad. It is a very simple command. It is just like refresh in your com- computer. It is the same Regen is in AutoCAD. So it's nothing to teach much. It is just to know that anything wrong happens in your CAD, anything is not getting deleted or your lines are not straight. You just need to press the region command, which is the regenerate command of AutoCAD, and you are good to go. Your CAD software will refresh itself and you're just good to go. It is regen command and it is just simple. It will just make your software go smoothly. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to CAD Comrade for such informational videos. Thank you.